Big Ticket Commissions Review. Everyday new and struggling online marketers get told that affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money online. But look at what's involved in this so-called easy method. 1. You need to build a list. Meaning creating a lead magnet, then buying traffic to get people to your squeeze page. 2. You've got to learn email marketing. Get ready to invest hundreds of dollars and hours in training. 3. You've got to find the right products to promote. Experts will suggest to try selling low-ticket products to start. If it all goes to plan, here's a best-case scenario. You spend thousands of dollars on traffic and creating lead magnets. After 2 to 3 months you grow a very small list. Your emails actually work and you make a handful of tiny commissions every once in a while. However, here are the problems the experts don't tell you about. You're competing with 95% of the rest of affiliates promoting the exact same low-ticket offers. Many of these affiliates have massive lists, and take home the majority of commissions. With every email you send, people unsubscribe. You constantly need to spend more time and money to refresh your list. Making puny $10 commissions simply does not pay the bills. Here comes the good news that solves affiliate marketing forever. Even if you're brand new. No list required. No paid traffic needed. No low-ticket commission either. This system sets you up with automated $497 commissions per sale. In literally 10 minutes per day, you can make hundreds in commissions. With a rinse and repeat method that has no competition. 95% of affiliate marketers have no idea this is even possible. But you'll get to see how easy this proven method is. Grab your copy fast for your early bird discount, one-time fee only, to this game-changing new app and effortless income strategy. Click the link below to secure your copy now.